Our state can be a dangerous place. Cars, trucks, and semis go speeding by regularly. And what happens if someone causes an accident?
Well, we have Lawyer Twillie here, who is the founding attorney at LA Law, and he's going to break down the steps that you should take. So thank you, and it's so great to see you back on the couch with us.
Also great to see you. Also, thanks.
Swear to God, yesterday, driving down the highway, guy in front of me was swerving, not in and out of traffic, just like weaving in and out of his lane. And I was like, that's not good.
Yeah.
So I kind of stayed away. But he had a Florida license plate. Okay. What happens if I get into an accident with a car, with a state, with a different tag on it? What do I do then?
Excellent question. So a few things. Definitely contact us. Right?
Okay. Yeah.
Because a lot of times what will happen is that if that car is registered in Florida, it's going to have a Florida policy. And a lot of times the insurance companies, they won't know what kind of coverages they should activate here for Connecticut. So we have to sort of educate them like, hey, listen, you have PIP down there, but here it's MedPay and you need to do X, Y, and Z. Oh, you have minimums of, I think in Florida is like 15 and 30. Well, here those coverages need to round up to 25, 50 because those are the minimums. So you should get a professional involved so you don't get, the runaround, to be honest.
Exactly, literally.
Yeah.
So you are, kind of the liaison, so to speak, between both insurance companies, making sure that your client is, they're checking all the boxes, right, in terms of coverage and what they need.
Well, yeah, I mean, we're more of an advocate.
Advocate,
than a
yes.
liaison,
yeah.
So, we're going to advocate for our client to make sure that they're in the best position possible. And obviously, the insurance company is going to want to cheap out and pay the least amount possible. And we're going to say, listen, this is what they're entitled to, like, you need to give them that. And they will, they will try to pull one over on you any opportunity they get.
Any opportunity they can.
Yeah,
I have a quick
100%.
question on that, too. Have you experienced even, like, an accident within the state? So, carriers within the state having those issues, too?
Yeah, I mean, we just finished a trial yesterday.
Oh.
We finished a trial yesterday where our client had $12,000 in medical bills, and they wanted to, they offered like $6,800.
Oh, boy.
And under Connecticut law, they're entitled to their economic damages, which is their medical bills plus pain and suffering. And we ended up getting a verdict of like $176,000.
That is remarkable.
At the end, they offered $30K. But I mean, this is what they do.
Right.
And this is why you need an advocate on your side.
The first thing, what's the first thing I do? Do I pull my car over? Do I leave the car in where the accident was? Do I call the police? What do I do?
Get somewhere safe. Especially when you're on the highway, get somewhere safe. So if that means you're pulling over into a shoulder, wherever it is, just get somewhere safe, because you don't want to get into an accident and then make things worse by putting yourself in harm's way.
Okay.
But then call the police.
Call the police.
100%. Call 911.
Then call Lawyer Twillie.
Call us.
Exactly.
Our job is to put you in the best position possible. I mean, something has happened to you. It wasn't your fault. You're going to get the runaround, so call somebody that's going to fight for you.
Right.
What is the #1 mistake that you see people do, even before they call you?
Delay. Have conversations with the insurance company. A lot of times, the biggest thing that I see happening is like an insurance company will call you and say, hey, we're going to take care of everything. We're going to take care of your medical bills, no problem. They're not necessarily going to do that. And then they get you to sign something, and then you're out. Like, you have no more options.
So do not sign on the dotted line until you have
Contact
some legal representation.
100%.
Come back a great day at 3.
I'll be there.
All right, thanks,
happily.
Lawyer.
All right, this is how you can get in touch with Lawyer Twillie there on your screen. Lawyer at LALawCT.com, 860-595-3163, or LALawCT.com.
All right, what's coming up, Nicole?